Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy and sell on Webull desktop. We will begin by exploring the platform's layout, helping you become familiar with its powerful features. You will learn to locate key trading tools and understand their functions. Customizing your workspace is crucial for efficiency, so we will cover how to set up your interface for a seamless trading experience, ensuring you are ready to execute trades with confidence. Now let's walk through placing a buy order. First, find the order entry panel, typically on the right side of your screen. Search for the stock symbol you wish to purchase. Next, choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Input the number of shares you want to buy, perhaps 100 shares, and then carefully review all details before confirming your purchase. Selling stocks on Webull desktop is just as straightforward. Navigate to your portfolio to select the asset you intend to sell. Consider your selling strategy. Are you taking profits or cutting losses? Choose an order type, like a stop-loss order to protect against significant drops. Enter the exact number of shares, for example, 50 shares, and the desired price. Always double-check your order details before hitting the sell button to ensure accuracy. Beyond basic orders, Webull offers advanced options to enhance your strategy. Learn about stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. It is vital to continuously monitor your open orders and be prepared to modify them if market conditions shift unexpectedly. Leverage the platform's comprehensive charting tools, offering dozens of indicators, to make informed decisions and optimize your trading performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.